Parents. What the fuck is that sound?
Und damit wohl in erster Linie für den deutschen Arbeiter.
What? What was it? Chat, what? Oh my god.
Idiot.
Idiot.
If you had a bad
Okay.
day and you're feeling shitty, you gotta get yourself
Idiot.
a cabinet kitty.
How many pictures do you need of the cat? She doesn't change.
Bella, aquí, aquí.
What do you mean?
Sácale. Sácala, nene. Ah, no, todavía no saca. Se está quemando. Sácala.
그거야.
Candy. What the fuck? Uh-oh.
Oh my god.
Listo.
Well, whose fault is that?
Maybe stop eating the brock. No, don't eat the brock. No, don't
eat the paper.
Don't eat the paper. No, don't eat the brock. Goddamn.
Fuck.
Guaquero,
Fucking cat.
saluda a tus fans. Dios mío.
What's on your
Cute.
face? Did you drink my chocolate milk?
Yes, because it's milk. Holy shit. Oh my god. Bald cat fight.
So good and tasty.
A lo que yo vine fue a esto.
Why did he do a 360?
My GPS keeps making a funny squeaking noise.
Holy. What the fuck was that?
Can people not like cats? Like,
Cats think they're scary when they do that.
Wait, babe, what'd you ask him?
I said, Goose, how do you feel about getting your balls removed next month?
Listening.
You are a little pervert. Why are you trying to take off my pants? Look at him. Look at him. Lucius, you're just like your...
Huh? What is this cat dog?
Grab kitten, cut steak, feed kitten, kitten eat. Get lobster, feed kitten, kitten eat. Kitten happy, kitten sleep. Grab kitten.
Gate cat.
Pride Month?
Stop it! Stop it! Manny, what are you doing? Manny, what's wrong with you? No!
I was just trying to sleep in on a Sunday.
Mr. Where, Mr. 305, darling, today I just want to tell you que a mí me gusta la Pepsi.
Don't do that, it's gonna choke.
my little baby. We're besties. This one's mean as fuck.
What the? Ah, the ear's touching.
He needs another deal. He needs another deal. He doesn't like that one.
I'll give you some cat treats.
Yeah.
What the fuck is that?
Motherfucker, where is it? Where the is it? I swear to God. You laughing, girl?
Poor mouse.
Bombastic side eye. Criminal offensive side eye.
Hassan?
Miss Rabbit has fainted. Miss Rabbit has fainted again.
A lo que yo vine
Ah.
fue a esto.
What you do when you have an evil kitten and you want to get rid of him. You put him on a shiny surface and you...
Chat.
Mira nomás. Nomás por eso trabajo.
Estoy loco. Estoy loco.
Chat.
Stop.
These nuts.
Stop.
Let's do VR.
Root beer, no! Root beer! No! Root beer, no! Root beer, no!
I might need to go to the bathroom though. Do we stop midway here? Maybe that's gonna be fine. Can I go to the bathroom? Can't.
Все, я устал.